In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing tomato chicken dish. For those of you who are from the East, this dish is also known as Karahi chicken. The first step is to wash the chicken with vinegar and salt. The next step is to grind the ginger and garlic into paste. If you want, you can simplify this step by using a teaspoon of pre-made ginger and garlic paste. Add the chicken when the oil is hot. Stir the chicken until it's no longer pink. Cook the chicken until the water has evaporated. Add the tomatoes when the yogurt has been absorbed. Cook chicken until tender. So I like to eat Karahi chicken with rice, but for those of you who like naan, it goes well with naan too.